The Dome Plateau Trail explores the large highlighted area east of Arches National Park. We parked where the ATV guidebook recommends, on Lesser Road, which is roughly a 36-mile scenic drive from Moab. For the most part, this is easy riding at its best. Our first stop was an old mining camp, which offered just a glimpse into the history of this area. With several mines and old mining equipment, it's worth a stop, especially if you're a history buff. Continuing along the trail, there are several wind caves to stop and explore. The largest is known as Cave Spring. You really don't get a sense of how large this is until you're in it. Our next stop was the Boca Arch. This arch spans 12 feet wide and is 30 feet high. We were lucky enough to see some of the native wildlife on our trip. We then continued to the highlight of the area, the 1,700-foot overlook of the Colorado River Canyon. This is a great place to take a break while you snap some photos and admire that view. If you haven't already, be sure to check out our YouTube channel for other Moab and Paiute Trail videos. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you out on the trails.